Hi, Kevin with IPC Eagle. Today we're going to talk about the 1050 vacuum sweeper rider. Our 1050 is the perfect step up from a walk-behind unit into a small rider, increasing productivity. Let's take a look inside and see how it works. To get to the battery pack, you simply lift up on the seat and look inside. This unit comes with two 12-volt batteries, making it a 24-volt system. The batteries are available in maintenance-free and a traditional wet battery. Depending on the battery pack you choose, you can clean from 200,000 square feet to 300,000 square feet on a single charge. With that square footage in mind, the opportunities are unlimited, whether it's carpet, asphalt, concrete, rubberized floors. The 1050 is built for them all. Now let's see this thing in action. The 1050 is compact enough to go through a standard door, so not limiting where you can use the machine in your facility. The side brooms do all the edging, taking the debris from the wall, putting it in front of the unit so the main broom can pick it up and put it into the hopper. The tight turning ratio allows for great maneuverability to get into different areas throughout the application. This machine can also be used outside to do asphalt cleaning and curb cleaning. When picking up large debris, lift the front flap. As you can see, the 1050 is the perfect step up from the walk-behind unit, but compact enough to get through a standard door, so you can clean your entire facility. For additional information, please contact us at ipceagle.com. Thanks for watching.